cleaning woman. The woman works very hard. The woman works very hard. Cleaning the street. At the cost, as her clothes dirty and smelling. All the people look. All the people ran away from her when they saw her. When the doctor talking to her nicely, the people are surprised. They asked the doctor. You already asked to be cleaning. When are they talking? Smiling to her. The doctor replied. Although this woman is smelling, her mind is clean. She is polite and she works hard for others. Some people are cleaning and tasty. But they are my police of best girls. He is having a cleaning are most important than wearing clothes. Mind clean mind.